Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook outside without a grill. First, let's explore fire pit cooking. You can cook directly over the flames for quick searing, or use indirect heat by placing food on the embers for slower cooking. Ensure your fire is well established, with a good bed of coals, before you begin. This method is fantastic for everything from vegetables to meats, offering a unique smoky flavor that a grill simply cannot replicate. Remember to maintain a safe distance, about 1 foot from the hottest part of the fire. Next, consider the magic of foil packets and Dutch ovens. For foil packets, simply wrap your ingredients tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil and place them directly on the coals. This steams your food to perfection, locking in moisture and flavor. A Dutch oven, on the other hand, is incredibly versatile. You can bury it in coals for slow cooking stews, or place coals on top and bottom for baking bread or roasting. Aim for a temperature around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for most Dutch oven recipes. Now let's talk about skillet and stick cooking. A cast iron skillet is your best friend for frying eggs, searing steaks, or sautéing vegetables directly over the coals. Its even heat distribution is unmatched. For a more rustic approach, cooking on a stick is a classic. Think hot dogs, marshmallows, or even dough wrapped around a clean, sturdy stick. Hardwoods like oak or maple are excellent for cooking fires, providing a long-lasting, consistent heat and a pleasant aroma. Finally, safety and cleanup are paramount. Always have a bucket of water and a shovel nearby to manage your fire. When you're done, ensure your fire is completely extinguished by dousing it with water and stirring the ashes until they are cool to the touch. Remember to practice leave no trace principles. Pack out everything you pack in, including food scraps. Leave your outdoor cooking area cleaner than you found it, preserving nature for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.